In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your background image during a Microsoft Teams meeting. So whether you're working from your home office, a bustling cafe, or anywhere else, Microsoft Teams has got you covered with its background change feature. This is not only helpful for privacy, but also adds a professional touch or a bit of fun, depending on the background you choose. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to head over to Microsoft Teams. You can find it easily by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Microsoft Teams in your search engine. Once the results come up, click on the official Microsoft Teams link to go right to the site. When you reach the Microsoft Teams homepage, you'll want to click on Sign In. Look for this option in the top right corner of the page. It's easy to spot. After clicking, you'll be prompted to enter your account details. Go ahead and log in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one yet, it might be worth creating an account to take advantage of all the features Teams has to offer. Once you're logged in, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Go ahead and click on Calendar from this menu. This will bring up a view of your scheduled meetings. It's a handy feature that lets you manage your appointments and prepare for upcoming meetings all in one place. Now locate and click on the meeting for which you want to change the background. It's important to select the correct meeting to ensure your background is set before it starts. Clicking on your desired meeting will usually give you options to join. With the meeting details open, your next step is to hit the Join button. You'll typically find this towards the top right of the window. Don't worry, you're not joining just yet. There are a few more steps to get your preferred background set up before you officially enter the meeting. Before stepping into the meeting, make sure your camera is turned on. This is crucial because the background feature uses your video feed to display the new background. Once your camera is on, look for the background filters option. These can often be found by selecting an icon or link near your video preview on the join screen. Click on background filters, and a sidebar or dialog box will appear with various background options. Here's the fun part. Browse through the selection of background images and effects available. Choose the one you like by clicking on it, and you'll see a preview to the right. This ensures everything looks just the way you want before joining. And there you have it. You're ready to join your Teams meeting with a new background. This feature is quite intuitive, and once you get the hang of it, changing backgrounds can be a seamless part of your virtual meeting routine. Enjoy your meetings with a little extra flair today.